guys, welcome back to Creative God of channel. Friends, our Christmas craft is incomplete without Santa Claus. If you want to make this beautiful Santa Claus, you need to watch my full video. Then come on, let's start. Friends, to make Santa Claus, take an empty bottle and cut it from 3 places. Then take one plastic ball and few tissue paper like this. To make Santa Claus body, join the bottle like this. Then stick the ball which act like a Santa Claus head with the bottle. Friends, stick the bottle with the tissue paper using glue. Take a tissue paper and roll it to attach to Santa Claus head. Friends, this is how we need to attach using glue. Time to attach Santa Claus eyebrow using tissue paper like this. Friends, then let's fix the nose made with tissue paper using glue. Similarly, make the dress using tissue paper like this. Time to attach the belt like this. This is how we stick belt buckle. Friends, to make Santa Claus hat, take a glitter paper and roll it to form a cone. Then attach cute hat pom-pom like this. Apply cotton in the Santa Claus hat using glue. Now let's make the Santa Claus hand. Take a newspaper and roll it like this. The 2 hands are ready. Similarly, make shoe of Santa Claus using rolled newspaper. The 2 shoes are ready. Time to make Santa Claus eyes. Let's make Santa Claus lips like this. This is how eyes will look like. And the lips. Time to color Santa Claus face light pink. And paint the body with the red color. Let's color Santa Claus belt with black color. And let's color screw black as well. Friends, paint Santa Claus gloves with black color. And paint the hand with red color. Time to color buckle yellow. Apply cotton to Santa Claus head and eyebrow like this. Let's make Santa Claus wear its hat. Apply cotton to Santa Claus cloth like this. Time to attach Santa Claus white beard. Put Santa Claus mustache like this. This is how eyes will look like. And paste Santa Claus lips like this. Time to attach Santa Claus hand using glue gun. Our Santa Claus is ready. So friends, we'll make this reindeer and sledge in our upcoming video. So please stay tuned. If you like my Santa video,